Are you sitting on a pile of unused gift cards from birthdays, holidays, or rewards that you'll never use? What if I told you that you could turn those cards into real cash with zero investment? That's right. Today, I'm going to show you how you can start making money online, fast and easy, by selling unused gift cards on platforms like Cardpool and Raise. Imagine having extra cash without spending a dime. Sound good? Then stick around because I've got the insider tips you won't want to miss. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where I show you the best ways to make money online without spending anything. Today, we're diving into the world of unused gift cards and how you can easily sell them for real money. If you've got gift cards gathering dust, this is the perfect side hustle for you. It's quick, easy, and you'll get cash in hand without any upfront costs. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on new money-making ideas. We all receive gift cards for places we don't shop at, right? Instead of letting them expire or sit unused, why not convert them into cash? Platforms like Cardpool and Raise allow you to sell your unwanted gift cards in just a few clicks. So, how exactly do you sell your gift cards? Let's break it down. First, head to websites like Cardpool or Raise. Create an account, it's free. Enter the details of your gift card, including the balance. Set your price. You can sell them at a slight discount to attract buyers, or let the platform give you an offer. Once your card sells, you'll get paid via PayPal, direct deposit, or even check. Top tips for selling gift cards. Always check for the highest rates across multiple platforms before listing your card. Consider selling popular brands for quicker sales. Think Amazon, Walmart, or Starbucks. Stay secure. Use trusted platforms with good reviews and payment protection. Real-life example. My friend sold a $50 gift card from a store he never shops at on Raise and got $45 cash in just a few days. It's really that simple. Now that you know how easy it is to turn those unused gift cards into cash, it's time to go check your wallet and start selling. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you've sold gift cards before, have suggestions on other ways to sell them, and don't forget to share this video with your friends who might be sitting on gift card gold mines. Hit that subscribe button for more ways to make money online with no investment, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Remember, making money online can be easy when you know where to look. See you next time, and happy earning.